morning to all of you. And it is 4th of May 2021, class 11th, subject economics. Our topic is diagrammatic representation of data. Previously, we learned about various attributes of data representation. For instance, we learned about classification of data, its parameters, and today we want to know how we can represent the data by means of diagrams or graphs. Tabular form of representation is one, but today another concept is diagrammatic representation. There are various types of diagrams in common use. Amongst them, important ones are the following: geometric diagram, for example, bar and pie diagram, frequency diagram, for example, histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, and ogive. Then arithmetic line graph. These are the diagrammatic representations. These are the various kinds of diagrams through which we can represent data. Then we want to know about uses of diagram. For what purpose these diagrams are used? These diagrams are uses of diagram. Information presented through diagrams can easily be understood. The first use is that information presented through these can easily be understood. The reader can easily understand whatever is represented through diagram, and diagrams and graphs produce a lasting impression on the mind of the readers. They represent a lasting impression. Their impression is everlasting. The reader will rather remember these things for a larger time, and these diagrams can also give the conceivement of the whole variable. But this portion or these features of representation of data has certain limitations. Also, unlike a table, a diagram or a graph does not show the exact value of a variable. Here, everything has its two sides, that is bright and dark. So far as it is dark portion is concerned, these tables and diagrams, they do possess a limitation that they don't represent the exact value of a variable. Number two, they represent limited facts. Number three, they require skill and expertise, means the person who is making use of these parameters, he must be very knowledgeable, he must possess knowledge, experience, and should have skill in making use of the diagram and graphs. And they demonstrate a limited portion of the information. The information which is going to be presented or classified, it is the whole information is not imbibed in it, rather a portion of the information is presented through these. And this much is enough for today.